Hello. Hello everyone. So now we are going to do part number 3. Sorry, part number 5. Okay, in this part you can see this is your isometric view. This is your isometric view. If I stand here, and you can see this is my front view. Okay, so this is my front view. In this is my side view. You can see this is my side view and it is see like this. Okay, and from the top it is showing this. Okay, from the top it is showing this. Okay, so I think everyone understood the view which I had telling to you. Before going to the design you should understand the view. Okay, or else it is very difficult to do the 3D model. Okay, so without wasting time we will go to the workbench. I already tell to you how to convert plane system to axis system. So let me go to 2D sketcher, YZ plane sketcher. So you can see the distance is 50 and 30 means 80, and from this to here it is 68.01. Okay, so what is the pad length is 45. Okay, 45 and same distance. So we will take two lines, and the here the horizontal line it is 71. You can see this line is similar to this line, so 71. Okay, and the pad is pad is 45. Okay, so here no doubt. I'm taking one line, one better. I'll take line starting from the center. Okay, exit workbench. So total length it is 80. 0 from this line to, you can see from this line to this it is 50. Total it is okay. I will do the upward distance 71 by 2. Okay, just to see, I think it is in middle, so 25. So from this line to this point, from this line to the center of the circle it is 25. Okay, so I will take that one, this one, how much, 25. You can see, you can it is clearly saying that total is 50, but it is in the center. Okay, so if I will divided 50 by 2 it is 25. Okay, now I will do the same thing in opposite side. So I will do it mirror. Okay, then taking one arc, draw one arc. Okay, let this distance is 71.02. I'm not wrong, that is 68.01. 68.01. Okay, now I will fix this two coordinate end of this coincidence and this one. Coordinate, right click, coincidence. Okay, 0.01. Okay, now take the circle from here. What is this distance? It is 20 diameter. Diameter is 20. Keep this diameter. We will fix this one. This point and center point should be fixed coincidence. Okay. Now you can see this is the perfect dimension. Exist workbench. The pad length is 45. 45. I will do a reverse direction preview. Okay. So your front view completed. Okay. Now come to side view. Okay. Side view, take any of the side, right side view or left side view. Do a rectangle from that end line to that rectangle is 15 distance, and that horizontal distance is 30. Okay, so I will take the side view. What it is again, you see. Okay, take a rectangle. Okay, I'm making coincidence. This first one, this is 30, 30, and from this line to the end it is 15. It's already there because it 15 now. And what is the distance of height? The distance is, you can see this distance. Okay, means 50. From this line to the top line it is 50. If you want to make coincident, you can coincident, but no need. Okay, because that need to be removed. So exist workbench, pocket, both side, mirror extend, preview. Okay, that thing remove. Okay, now the side view also completed. Now go to the top view. Okay, top view, do that diagram and remove. So again I'm going to the top view. Okay, taking rectangle, length is 35, 33, and another is 24. This one is 33 and it is in the middle, so I will give that middle distance also 33 by 2, and this distance is horizontal distance, it is 24. Okay, and see, okay, 24, but this should be coincident with this line, end line. 19, 19, it's already divided into 19 and 19, or else you can delete this dimension and give this dimension here to here 19, you can see. Okay, then exist workbench, pocket, mirror extend, okay. Now it is your diagram. If you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.